work as a family law attorney, did you have occasion to represent Wendy Adelson?
I did represent Wendy Adelson in the end of 2012, I believe it was, 2013, and part of 2014.
Would you call her divorce a bitter custody battle?
I would not.
Now, did the marital settlement agreement require that Mr. Markel pay Wendy and yourself certain sums?
He was supposed to pay me $10,000 in attorney's fees because he made a lot more money than Wendy did. He was supposed to pay her $120,000, all within 60 days.
Did Mr. Markel pay the sums that he was obligated to pay under the settlement agreement?
He was supposed to transfer, if I remember, from one of his Charles Schwab accounts to Wendy, the money. He gave her $50,000 of the $120 in a pretty timely basis, and then he just didn't pay the rest.
Ms. Bailey, how did the Adelson-Markel divorce compare across the variety of cases that you've handled?
Simply, it was routine, it was amicable.
You would not say that divorce and child custody issues are emotionally charged?
They can be, but in this case, they weren't.
They weren't? How do you know?
From the pleadings, because I don't have 10,000 pages in front of me.
You're not in the mind of the people whose lives are impacted by these pleadings. It's not just about pieces of paper and a binder, is it?
I don't think that's what I said.
During that time period when her son was on trial and shortly after, did you have some concerns based on statements that she was making?
Concerns about Mrs. Adelson's mental state, yes.
Yes. Can you tell us what those were?
She had made numerous statements about terminating her life if her son, Charlie Adelson, was convicted.
During the trial or after the verdict, did you disclose to anyone in the state attorney's office that Ms. Adelson was suicidal?
Of course I didn't. No, I had an attorney-client privilege relationship with her, and I didn't think that would have been appropriate.
Sure. And why was she suicidal?
Because her son had just been convicted, and she was worried he was going to spend the rest of his life in prison.
Was she also worried about getting convicted herself?
I don't believe that was even crossed her mind. She was only worried about her son.
Okay. Are you aware of a text message where she said that she was afraid she was next, but don't worry, she would take care of that?
I'm not, I'm sorry.
As it relates to your right to remain silent and your right to testify, what is your decision concerning these two rights?
This time I don't want to testify.